Malaysia is the eighth largest exporter of furniture in the world. Nowadays, there are about 3,500 works industries operated in Malaysia. The timber sector also provides employment to about 3,000 workers, and as to date, there are about 3,000 number of mills are still in operation.
Bachelor of Good Science and Technology program, or BSTK, offered at the Faculty of Forestry, Universiti Putra, Malaysia, is very unique. It is the only program in the country that includes both the industrial technology and the basic forestry knowledge that are very essential for wood scientists. Students of BSTK will be exposed to concepts, theories, and processing of wood products based on the latest technology. Come join our BSTK program, your career is guaranteed.
Highlight about Bachelor of Food Science Technology, which consists of two major, biocomposite and management. So, at this faculty, there are many facilities, including lab and notebooking workshop. Especially when we are in final year student, we are handling with final year project. So, this lab assistant and also our lab can help us in doing our project. So, interesting, right? Let's become one of our family and become one of Bachelor of Food Science and Technology students.
Wood science is a study of a wood as a material that renewable and of a biological origin. How man uses the material and process tools utilized and are defined as a wood technology. In this program, I learned the traits, the behavior of the wood and the products using the concept of chemistry, engineering and other physical sciences. I encourage all of you to join me to explore the beauty of the wood.